7 people in 4 bedrooms. Bloody hell. £400 a month. You don't have to see the place, just take it. 7 flatmates in 3 rooms. That can't be legal. Is this like a pillow? You live like a rat, but don't worry, you don't have to pay for the toiletries. In this video, we're going for the budget of £616, which is $775 more or less a month, because we're pretending we earn minimum wage in the UK. And I want to know, what can you afford in London for a minimum wage? So the number is the minimum wage equals to 22,200 annually, and that equals to £616 because you have to earn 3 times more per month to be able to rent a room of this price. This is how I got to this number. So let's have a look what we have available for this. I am already scared, to be honest. As you can see, £616 monthly. I did not include the bills because I don't think they count the bills into it. Let's not include it and let's see what we have available. This seems interesting. £550. Not so much impressive. I don't know what is this in the corners. I hope it's not mold or something, even though it kind of looks like that. Doesn't look appealing. Again, carpets. I really don't know why you put carpets in. And this prison bed and beautiful chair next to the bed. You know, you don't even have a table, but you just like, you sit on the chair, just be like, I just want to sit here, you know, I'm not going to use my bed, I just want to sit here. Overall, not horrible. Bedroom in archway, £600. A very small double room available in our 3-bedroom flat. A lot of natural light, I like that. You know, last night I spent so much time searching New York apartments, you know, New York studio apartments, Paris, Liverpool, and I'm telling you one thing. What people in London post in the listings is outrageous. It doesn't even happen in New York. I've never seen it anywhere else. If you have, comment below because I'm interested. Because London, there's zero class, zero f***s given. You don't tidy the room. You can just take all this shit, put it on the other side of the room, take a picture, take all that shit, put it on the other side of the room, take a picture, and just pretend that you care. No, you only care about how much you can make out of it. Would you like not be embarrassed to take a picture of this and just say, this is where I live, this is my room, and put it online? I'm not diving into some private websites or Facebook or whatever. This is in public online. Everybody can see it. Wow, I'm fired up. Oh my God. Spacious room for rent in Stratford. Vertical pictures, of course. Why would you bother take horizontal pictures? It doesn't look that bad, to be honest. There's a lot of storage room, somebody's underpants on the chair, why not? 1 bed space available for boy in white. 1 bed space. Flatmates, 7. 7 flatmates in 3 rooms. So you're gonna be the 8th person. Hey, wait. That can't be legal. That can't be legal. Student or professionals all welcome. Well, I'm pretty sure I'm coming right in. So a lot of you commented, and it turns out that you cannot discriminate if you're a flatmate, but you can discriminate if you're a landlord because you can decide who you want to live with. But if you know, maybe this person is doing this because landlord told him. So you cannot discriminate if you're not the owner of the property. But as the owner of the property, you can say, I want to live with a female or I want to live with whatever. This is my research. Let me know if you think differently. I'm not sure this is freaking legal. So I literally went on ChatGPT, yeah. And by law in the UK, if you have 3 rooms, you can accommodate 5 people maximum, yeah. But you have 3 rooms here and you're going to have 8 people. Or does it mean 7, like with you as well? That's wrong. That's 8. Even if it's 7, it's not legal. It's new today, so maybe it's going to be taken down because it's illegal. £450 for a shared room. And that's people living together who don't know each other. Everybody who has some kind of knowledge or is a lawyer or whatever, tell me if this is even legal, honestly. This doesn't look right. Cozy and clean room. Oh, come on. I have a feeling I have seen this with my own eyes. I have a certain flashback right now because it's in Ealing. I was looking for Ealing a couple of years ago and I feel like I have seen this. So this is the same room but a different picture. Oh, it's sexy. £600? Nah, come on. We're all professionals and need to work in the office during the daytime. Therefore, we would like to have someone who also no need to work from home in case you steal all their shit and run away while they're at work or have parties. Cool. Oh, we have another drunk person taking pictures. Oh, another one. Clean, obviously. I'm not even gonna comment on this one. Spacious 4-bed, the rent. Single room, 500 per month. Let's find that single room. This is master bedroom. Double room, single room, super wide angle lens. So that's super tiny, I'm telling you already. At least there's no carpet. This is your wardrobe, obviously. That's it. That's it. What the f is this? This is something that is probably stolen from Addams Family film set. This property can accommodate up to 7 people in 4 bedrooms. 7 people in 4 bedrooms. Yeah, that's legal. Unfortunately, I have no idea how this could be legal, but it is. 7 people in 4 bedrooms. Bloody hell. For £500 single room, £900 double room in Hoxton, E2. I'm walking on the street, yeah? Oh, somebody's calling me. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Who took it? Next. Single bedroom, super wide angle lens to make it look bigger. Big garden with some workout, with some workout equipment, yeah. Let me see that garden, baby. Super wide angle lens, that's super tiny bedroom. At least the window seems to have a lot of natural light. That doesn't look not moldy to be, oh my God, come on. Is it so expensive to replace this? It's been here since like 1921. Why again? Of course it doesn't disappoint. This is just, yeah, exactly this. It's not about that you have a small garden and I got a comment saying, not every garden is gonna look like Kew Gardens. I never said that. It doesn't matter if your garden is super tiny. What I'm talking about is you don't have 5 minutes to take this weed out of your pavement. You have equipment here, you dry your clothes there, you probably sit outside. So why don't you take 5 fucking minutes to make this look like a human being is actually living there? You're so busy doing this for 50 hours a day. I don't have time to take out weed from the garden, you know. We don't live in the real world. We don't care about where we live, you know, what our surroundings are. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. I'm looking for a roommate. Doesn't sound creepy at all. How much? £400 a month. Bills included, yes. Wow. This already scares me. Let's have a look at the pictures. Vertical, of course, screenshot. Is that it? Are you being serious right now? You're looking for a roommate. This is the picture you post. That's the only picture you post. You don't even show the bed. So is there a bed or do you sleep on the floor? I'm confused. Or is this the bed? Like, where's the bed? Where's the space? Where's the picture? This is a screenshot. Can I see the picture? Or you say £400 a month. You don't have to see the place. Just take it. And I thought I've seen it all. I've seen it all? No. Look at this. So much natural light coming through. We are all vampires. We cannot have the natural light. We're gonna die. We're gonna die, you know. If there's just a little bit of natural light, nah. And here I thought we're not gonna find another beautiful garden, you know. And here we are. I don't even know why there is like a place to sit here, or what the hell is this? I don't know if this is a driveway as well, so you park the car or a motorcycle here. There's no reason why would you leave the wheat to grow in between the stones. This looks like nobody has been living here for like 4 months. How can you just take a picture like that and just post it online and just be like, this is what we offer? I don't care, it's £500. You live in that space. Maybe finally we found something beautiful. Oh my God, great location, homely flat share. Look at the garden. This is what I'm talking about. Why can't you make it nice? Cut the grass, feed the birds, plant some trees, put some, lights here. This is so nice. Look, there's no weed between the stones. It's not that hard. You don't have to be the landlord to do that. You live there. Landlord doesn't. Nah. Why don't you tidy this fucking place? Just put the fucking books on top of the wardrobe, dude. Seriously, what the fuck? 585. And let's have a look at the last one for today. Again, really nice garden. So small single. I'm not sure this is spelled correctly, but maybe there's a word I just don't know. Only £14 per day. What the hell? I'm scared right now. Seriously scared. Beautiful garden though. Beautiful garden. Look, nicely cut the grass. Really nice bathroom. This looks nice as well. I don't know what's up with people. Why do you do the Dutch angle? So why do you tilt when you take a picture? Do you really just be like, yeah, let's take a picture for this and I want to make some money? The quality. At least there's no weed in between, the concrete, the tiles, whatever it's called. This is how it should be, even though it shouldn't be, it should be straight, Come on. Beautiful kitchen. Where's the room? Is this the room? What is this? Are you kidding me? Am I missing something? What? Is this like a pillow? Am I going blind? This certainly cannot be legal. Unfurnished. Are you being... Total rooms 4. Reduced. Well, I wonder why. Thank you very much for reviewing this ad. The room is small, however, there are storage opportunities around the house. You don't even have to pay for the toilet roll. Please hurry. Please tell me this is a joke. So, you're renting this out, but you can enjoy this. But you have to sleep here. No, I don't believe this. I don't believe this. Not even if I had a dog, I wouldn't allow them to sleep in here, much less a human being. A very beautiful opportunity for anybody who wants to save money and live in a comfortable accommodation where all the facilities are available. You live like a rat, but don't worry, you don't have to pay for the toiletries, and you can enjoy all of this you can enjoy. But you have to live like a rat. Are these people f***ing insane? I'm finished. I'm speechless. This is it. This is it. Hit the subscribe button. Don't miss my next video, which I'm going to work on right now. And that's going to be about the average London salary annually, because in my research, I found 47,500 or at least 44,000. Many people in the comments say that this number is completely wrong, and we're going to test the theory and we're going to see if it's right or wrong. Because I'd like to prove some stuff and I'd like to point things out, let's say. So definitely subscribe and I'll see you next time.